Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Volkswagen Jetta manual. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat. Locate the three pedals, the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Familiarize yourself with the gear shift pattern, usually printed on the knob. Before starting, press the clutch all the way down and shift into neutral. This ensures the car won't lurch forward when you turn the key. Once moving in first gear, accelerate smoothly. When the engine RPMs rise, it's time to upshift. Press the clutch pedal completely with your left foot. Simultaneously, move the gear shifter to the next higher gear, for example, from first to second. As you slowly release the clutch, gently press the accelerator with your right foot to maintain momentum and prevent stalling. Practice makes perfect for smooth transitions. Downshifting is crucial for slowing down or gaining power. As you approach a turn or need to reduce speed, ease off the accelerator. Press the clutch pedal all the way down. Select a lower gear, like from third to second, that matches your current speed. As you slowly release the clutch, you might need to give a small blip of the accelerator to match the engine's revolutions per minute, ensuring a smooth transition without a jolt. To bring your Jetta to a complete stop, press both the clutch pedal and the brake pedal simultaneously. This prevents the engine from stalling as you slow down. Once you are fully stopped, shift the gear lever into neutral. When parking, always engage the parking brake firmly. This is typically a hand lever or a foot pedal, ensuring your vehicle remains stationary and secure on any incline. Turn off the engine and release the clutch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.